Hello, this is Dave with the bikeandbeerblog.com. Today we're going to take a look at a non-biking and non-beer type of product. It's actually the Hess Mart 2020 vehicle that they release every single year. I get this from my mother-in-law and have for many, many years. In fact, my son and I both get one. So let's take a look. All right, what we're going to do is we are going to unbox the Hess Ambulance and Rescue Truck, which is the Hess Mart 2020 vehicle that they offer every single year at the holiday time. So let's open it up. One of the cool things that Hess does is they include batteries, and their boxing is extremely simple. It's just basically a platform. You've got your vehicle. Again, this year it's an ambulance and a rescue vehicle. You pull it out. It's got this little bit of cardboard at the bottom. It's got an owner's manual per se. It's just basically a little card that says how to activate the batteries and then how to replace them if they need to be replaced at some point, which of course they would. Okay, so we're going to do that in just a second. All right, so we've got it unboxed and we are going to go ahead and take out the little green battery protector. It's just pull to operate. It's really straightforward. There's an on, off, and a mute button on the bottom. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You'll notice tons of awesome lights. That is one of the things that I think makes the Hess vehicles every year so cool, along with all the different sounds that it'll make. So let's take a look at the actual truck, or the ambulance in this case. So that's sound from button number 1. Very realistic, awesome sound for an ambulance. That's sound number 2. Again, great sound, extremely authentic. And you'll notice when the lights are going, of course, when the sound is going, the lights are going also. And what Hess has done is it's incorporated several different tones from around the world, different ambulance noises from around the world, and that's pretty neat. All right, so let's take a peek at the back end. Back end, the rescue truck, of course, pops out. We've got to take it out of the bag first off. And again, it's got the pull for the battery, so the batteries stay fresh. And it's got some awesome lights on it also. Again, Hess has been making these vehicles for a long time. They've gotten really good at it. Ease of use is amazing, along with the fact that they're just fun to play with. We'll take out that extra piece of cardboard and put this bad boy back in there, seal it up, and pop it open. And as you can see, if you're going to play with this, you can drive it right out the back end, put it right back in, seal it up. Of course, don't forget to turn the batteries off, or you'll be replacing them more often than you want. So again, this is a 2020 Hess Ambulance and Rescue vehicle. It is another awesome vehicle in the Hess lineup that comes out every single holiday season. Enjoy.